Welcome to the Political Rant with me, the voice, right here on Ghana and Sam TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Today happens to be the birthday of our boss, Ajwa, who is the leader of the team here at Ghana and Sam TV GH. We want to use this media, this platform, to wish her all the best in her good endeavors, that God will take her from one level to the other, and that she will keep being the leader that she is. She's an inspiration to all of us. Now to today's topic. Sammy Jenfi's gold board has started working, and the work that has been assigned to the gold board, which we all know about, warned Ghanaians about, encouraged Ghanaians not to agree to, and the only way not to agree to the gold board would have been to vote for MPP. Okay? And Ghanaians refused and went ahead to vote for. Has started work. Omampini is Excellency John Dramani Mahama earlier this April or signing Act of Parliament into a law. And the gold board has been established, duly established by law, and they have started working on some more office. And Ska about so the more almost be 400 plus million. So I'm with the better gold no so no. And nina I said they are more. And they are more movie you know. And more release notice. Now it before even the notice came out, we started hearing say Goldfield base back. One of the locations, now license by expire this April, and they approach Mineral Commission. Now they say once the gold board comes into effect, before you approach, when you approach the Mineral Commission, is now subjective to gold board sitting and agreeing to issue a license to you. Now mineral and I said sir Goldfield I walk for so long. Mineral Commission said they are not renewing their license. Listen now. Mineral Commission say company are already is operating are buying what 10% share was our company mono. They will not renew their license. And the Goldfield has released a communique announcing said they are going to gradually close down that very field, okay? Which means people who are dependent, people who are working there, and people who were indirectly also employed because of that place, because who are Goldfield, for people who are they will be selling food to the workers there. People are there who build apartments and rent out to the workers there where they can. So all those people now they are left to their own fate. Okay, so that is the beginning. So after that communique came out, then after some hours or a day, then Gold Board also released a communique. Now the communique that has been released by Gold Board, I bet say ASM no cry. They say no ASM na critical. Adeyan Sammy Jenfi Gold Board say Obi biara our license bia we a small scale mining bia license from this moment forward revoked. Yeah. Obi bia we a small scale mining legally Ghana. We a chairman went to mill. We a chairman then you. We a way Obi bia small scale mining biano. Omejom license from Musem. Now, omejom license from Musem and somebody reapply biome to Gold Board. Now yembisa who say where are Goldfield here Juma for several years. I will be him Goldfield. Be him now omu kra ko apply for renewal mo renewal. Now musi obi bia all license be cancel license na mo cancel license na. And is going to be selective awarding of licenses. Very selective. Because me assure pass obi to say chairman want to me mo. Mo so mo ye mo mining na nye na asem. O ma ye mining under NDC and the MPP government. It's our gold board we no. Mo di be victimize you mo. And anchorophobia mo feel say there be o mo de mo ka mo party ho a. O mo be bisa for license no. Mo be victimize you mo. Now let's take it say obia, let's say on your license in 2024. Even before elections. And see why mobilization or wakoji loan and then nama the toy equipment so ko responsible mining. Na sound nepa oka chene say we jini license free nsem. Na obe reapply for license on demand on for manner. What do you expect the person to do? You are indirectly asking people who are legally mining to go and do galamsey. Because the nipa no pound chain. Now say man license. Over parking in Yamao, he will leave that site essence on him say, government already knows the site. Obia ye illegal mining or legal mining biano. Government knows where they are. So government can easily access where they are. But once you mafia them in such a manner, no, what would they do? You leave them with no other chance, no other alternative than to park from there and go and look for one of the forest reserve, sponsor indigenous people, and start doing galamsey. And the danger of this gold board now you catch the Ghana phone. Secondly, Sammy Jenfi gold board now say anybody who was buying gold legally, Ghana no, say no, they have also suspended those licenses. And henceforth, we are Ghana new, we are foreign now. You cannot buy gold in Ghana any longer. As a private person, you cannot. So what this means is Sammy Jenfi gold board wasn't taking livelihood from Ghanaians who call Obuasita and another place. There are a lot of Ghanaian owned shops who are engaged in buying gold, and they do so legally. Now companies are now more small scale mining, so now more customers are moving free. I'm on your better gold free from Muhono or Munso. We see, one more up to 30th April. After that, that is the end. So, people who had contracts with foreign agencies, they will start paying judgment debts because they have to abrogate the contract. This has been the danger about this thing. Now, you ask yourself, say, now, sir, gold board, no, one will have thought, say, their first major priority is galamsey. Or na untimi tracing nkrofo. Or na untimi regulating nkrofo. And he say, any action I shall take it first. It was against galamsey. Then any nkrofo amuye legal mining. But it all fit into the bigger agenda. We all know say Papa bi wo ho a buying way that they want to make him the sole exporter of gold. Papa bi wo. Ina ye nim ni din. But ye ntimi body no esan say minister met you a lawyer. But me call a dental market babioma. Na market women na mama me say omo body ni chire me mama be ka chire. That's what we voted for. Reset is here. This has been the Political Rant with me, the voice right on Ghana ASM TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Then bye bye, cheers. See you in the next one.